Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. In this troubleshooting guide, we will address the DTC P0563 error code, which indicates an unexpected voltage in the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, power source circuit of the Honda HR-V from 2016 to 2022. DTC stands for Diagnostic Trouble Code, which points to specific vehicle malfunctions, helping technicians identify potential issues. The PCM is vital as it manages engine performance by processing data from various sensors. Understanding the role of this component is crucial in diagnosing why the unexpected voltage has appeared. The error hints at possible electrical problems, which could stem from faulty connections or relay issues affecting the overall operation of the vehicle. Hence, thorough diagnostics are necessary to ensure the reliability and performance of the vehicle. The error code P0563 specifically highlights an unexpected voltage issue in the Powertrain Control Module, or PCM. The PCM serves as the brain of the vehicle, coordinating various electronic components responsible for engine management. This particular DTC suggests that the voltage being sent to or from the PCM is not within the expected range, meaning the vehicle system may not perform correctly. Typically, the PCM and its related components are located in the underhood fuse/relay box, which houses the necessary circuitry for managing engine functions. Diagnosing this error requires understanding the relationship between the PCM and its power source, as well as any connected relays that could contribute to this malfunction. There are several possible causes for the DTC P0563 error. One of the most common issues is poor connections within the electrical circuits leading to the PCM. Electrical connections must be clean and tight for optimal performance, since even minor corrosion or looseness can lead to voltage discrepancies. Additionally, loose terminals can also contribute to an unexpected voltage reading. They need to be thoroughly inspected and secured. Short circuits in the wiring, particularly within the FI main RLY-CL line or the related power source wires, can cause voltage irregularities. Each of these issues directly impacts the flow of power to the PCM, thus triggering the DTC P0563. The symptoms associated with DTC P0563 can significantly affect vehicle operation. One primary symptom could be that the engine fails to start, as the PCM may not receive the expected voltage required for initiation. Dashboard warning lights may also illuminate, alerting the driver to potential issues in the powertrain system. Additionally, erratic engine performance might be noted, where the vehicle experiences irregular idling, unexpected acceleration, or even stalling. These symptoms strongly emphasize the need for immediate attention, as they indicate deeper underlying issues with the vehicle's electrical systems linked to the PCM. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0563 is to first verify the existence of the problem. Begin by turning the vehicle to the on mode, which provides power to the vehicle's electrical systems without starting the engine. Once the vehicle is in this mode, it's essential to clear the DTC using the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS. By doing this, you reset any stored trouble codes that might not reflect the current state. After clearing, turn the vehicle off and wait approximately 10 seconds before switching it back to on. The next critical action is to check for either confirmed or pending DTCs using the HDS. This helps to ascertain if DTC P0563 is still present, indicating a persistent issue. In the second troubleshooting step, you'll want to focus on determining the potential failure area related to DTC P0563. Start by turning the vehicle to the off lock mode to ensure safe measurements. Next, utilize the HDS to jump the SCS line which stands for the service check screen. This action effectively allows you to bypass certain functions temporarily so you can perform the necessary checks. After configuring the SCS line, disconnect the PCM connector A51P to prepare for voltage testing. With the connector disconnected, measure the voltage between test point 1 at PCM connector A51P number 7 and body ground. If there's battery voltage detected, continue to the next step. For the third troubleshooting step, you need to check for shorted wires in the FI main RLYCL line. Begin by removing the PGM FI main relay 1 and the ignition coil relay from the underhood fuse/relay box, as these relays need to be disconnected for accurate testing. With both relays removed, check for continuity between test points 1 and 2, while keeping the vehicle in the off lock mode and PCM connector A51P disconnected. Test point 1 is PCM connector A51P number 7, and test point 2 is body ground. If there is continuity found, it indicates a short in the wire that needs to be repaired. If not, the wire is in good condition and you will need to move to the next diagnostic step. In troubleshooting step 4, focus on testing the PGM-FI main relay 1. This relay plays a crucial part in the PCM's power source and is necessary for engine operation. If the relay tests indicate it is working properly, it's essential to check if the PCM software is up to date. Updating the PCM software can resolve glitches that may cause operational issues, so ensure it has the latest version. If after updating the PCM, the DTC P0563 no longer appears, the troubleshooting will be complete. However, if the DTC persists after the update, substituting a known good PCM should be the next course of action. And if the replacement clears the code, then replace the original PCM. In step 5, you will conduct another shorted wire check, but this time for the FI main RLY outline. Begin by removing the PGM FI main relay 1 from the underhood fuse relay box to isolate the circuit for accurate measurements. Measure the voltage between test point 1 and test point 2, ensuring the vehicle is in the off lock mode and that the PCM connector A51P and PGM FI relay are disconnected. Test point 1 is PCM connector A51P number 9, and test point 2 is body ground. If battery voltage is detected, then the wiring between the PCM and relay is likely compromised, necessitating repairs to rectify the short to power. If no voltage is detected at this test, then the wiring is in good condition, leading you to the final troubleshooting step. The last step in troubleshooting DTC P0563 involves conducting a final test of the PGM FI main relay 1 again. After conducting all previous tests, if the relay is confirmed to be operational, it's paramount to ensure that the PCM is equipped with the latest software. As previously mentioned, an update could resolve potential malfunctions that lead to the DTC. After the update, if the DTC P0563 disappears, that indicates successful troubleshooting. However, if the code persists, substituting the relay with a known good unit is essential, followed by replacing the original PCM if troubleshooting leads to that conclusion. Successfully addressing these relay and PCM issues will ensure the vehicle runs as expected. After completing all the troubleshooting steps for DTC P0563, it is essential to conduct a final verification of repairs. Begin this step by rechecking for the presence of DTC P0563 using the HDS. This will confirm whether the error has been successfully resolved or if it remains present. If the DTC does not reappear, this indicates that the issue is resolved, and you can further test the vehicle's performance to ensure all functionalities are operating as designed. A test drive should be conducted to see if all systems function normally under real driving conditions. This step is key to ensuring the longevity and reliability of the repair. Preventive maintenance is crucial for avoiding future occurrences of DTC P0563 and maintaining overall vehicle health. Start by regularly inspecting electrical connections to the PCM and related components. Ensuring they are clean, tight, and free from corrosion is vital. Regular software updates for the PCM should also be scheduled as part of maintenance protocols, as manufacturers often release updates that improve functionality and address known issues. Additionally, routinely checking the condition of electrical components, such as relays and connectors, will help identify potential problems before they escalate. By following these preventive strategies, the risk of encountering DTC P0563 can be significantly reduced. In summary, DTC P0563 signifies an unexpected voltage condition in the PCM power source circuit, indicating potential electrical issues within the Honda HR-V from 2016 to 2022. The critical components involved include the PCM, PGM-FI main relay, and associated wiring circuits. Understanding the symptoms and potential causes of this DTC is crucial for effective diagnosis and resolution. Following a structured troubleshooting process allows technicians to identify the root cause and apply the necessary fixes. Finally, implementing preventive maintenance will help minimize the likelihood of encountering this issue in the future, ensuring continued vehicle reliability and performance. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.